Not sure how to use your Sharp AC remote? Model number A310JBEO. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Sharp AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the 1 hour button to set the air conditioner to turn off automatically after 1 hour. This feature is useful for saving energy, especially before going to sleep. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The auto swing button automatically moves the AC's louvers up and down, ensuring even air distribution across the room. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The save button activates the AC's energy-saving mode, which reduces power use by optimizing cooling and fan speed while keeping the room comfortably cool. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Sharp AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. When you press the cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Sharp AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.